Let's have a look at task filters and how to use them on the dashboard in awork. You can find your task filters in the section Views on the left-hand side. There are some default filters like My Tasks or New Tasks, and over here you can create your own filters by clicking on the little plus. I want to create a task filter which shows all of the tasks which are assigned to me and due during the next 7 days. I am looking for due date. Over here I'm typing in a little 7 because I want to know the tasks which are due within the next 7 days. And then I'm clicking on Filter by again, clicking on User Assigned, and I am selecting me either here or here. And voila, here are my tasks. There's also an advanced mode where you can use AND or OR operators, but this is not necessary over here. Task filters are not saved by default, but I would highly recommend to save them. Click on Save and then give it a name. I will call it Test Filter. In the next step, we want to put the task filter on the dashboard. Go to Dashboard, click on Customize, and then you need to add a widget by clicking on Plus Widget. Over here, you select the list of tasks, and then you select your newly created filter. Over here, Test Filter. Click on Save, and then you can rearrange your dashboard like this to give the new filter widget a little more visibility. Never forget clicking on Save to rearrange your dashboard, and you have your new task filters on your dashboard.